taiga has many interesting types of land. Extremely cold in the taiga creates a layer of ground called permafrost. Permafrost is a ground that is permanently frozen, what can break through this layer. Most of the taiga is made up of bogs that have a soft carpet of moss on the forest floor.
There's actually a lot of interesting animal life in the taiga. Animals of the taiga tend to be predators like the lynx and members of the weasel family like wolverines, bobcat, minks, and ermine. They hunt herbivores like snowshoe rabbits, red squirrels, and voles. Red deer, elk, and moose can be found in regions of the taiga where more deciduous trees grow. Many insect-eating birds come to the taiga to breed. They leave when the breeding season is over. Seed eaters like finches and sparrows and omnivorous birds like crows stay all year long. During the harsh winter, the majority of these mammals live within the forest, sheltered by the vegetation. The species that do not hibernate have adjusted somehow to move nimbly on snow. Reindeers and moose, for instance, have larger and flat hooves on which they distribute their weight better. Similarly, adjusted legs can also be found in Arctic hares, lynxes, and wood grouses.
The food chain starts with the producers like the black spruce. Then the primary consumers eat the tree. These are moose, elk, insects, birds, and rats. Then the secondary consumers like wolves eat the moose and the elk, but birds eat insects, owls eat birds, foxes eat rats, and then the last, the lynx eat the foxes and the owls. This is important because make all species survive and have food for make reproducing.
Temperature. Throughout the taiga, the temperature varies. Throughout the year, the temperature may go from -65 Fahrenheit to 88 Fahrenheit. In the summer, the average temperature is 64 Fahrenheit. In the winter, the average temperature is -4 Fahrenheit.
There is not a lot of plant variety in the taiga biome. Most of the trees are coniferous trees, also known as evergreen. Some are firs, pine trees, birches, and fewer larches, willows, alders, and poplars. They have long, thin, waxy needles. This wax gives them some protection from freezing temperatures and from drying out. Evergreens prevail partly because in this biome the summer season is short. These plants start their photosynthesis as soon as the temperature begins to rise in springtime and make the most of the feeble northern sun. The dark color of evergreen needles allows them to absorb heat from the sun and also helps them start photosynthesis early. Conifer needles are very good at capturing light. This is why the soil is dark and unsuitable for the undergrowth to develop. In addition, mounds of dead needles prevent herbs and shrubs from growing since they acidify the soil and replenish it of resinous substances. This explains why there's not a lot of vegetation.